Interacting with the Sitrans LR560 is easy with the local display interface. The interface has a backlit LCD, a keypad, and enough memory to store the operating parameters and diagnostic information. The display interface includes a dust and water seal to keep the inside of the Sitrans LR560 clean. To install the interface, place it onto the electronics module and twist it clockwise until it locks into place. For your convenience, the display can be oriented in 4 different directions. Once installed, you have an informative local display and complete access to all of the parameters. Sitrans LR560 firmware updates can also be transferred directly from the local display interface. All of the Siemens radar transmitters can be configured with the handheld programmer, including the LR560 with the display interface. This allows you to access all of the functions without ever opening the enclosure, keeping the electronics and wiring protected from dust, moisture, or any other contaminant. The local display interface is one of the many innovations that we put into the Sitrans LR560 solids radar transmitter. My name is Graham Wall, and I made the Sitrans LR560.